So closing, it seems like around the session low levels as of now for the Nifty as well. 22,100 is what it's managed to stay on to, and around those levels managed to see a recovery, but then again a fall that came in. So Nifty closing for down 0.4% in trade. Sensex 2 down almost 0.4% in trade. Let's pull up the mid and small cap that also today performed in tandem with what the benchmark indices were doing. The Nifty mid cap and the small cap 2 down almost 0.4 to 0.5% in trade. What we are seeing at the day's close for the Nifty mid and small cap. So overall, the markets didn't do quite well. The decline, advance decline ratio, when you look at it clearly in the favor of decline versus the advances as well. Nifty Bank is too something that was under pressure as well. Let's pull up Nifty Energy because that's the sector that managed to see a bit of a green today on the screens as well. So Nifty Energy was holding on to green, mainly led by Adani Energy Solutions, Adani Green, Power Grid among the top gainers that we saw that bit of green holding on to in the Nifty Energy because of these stocks today. Adani Energy managing to close on with gains of almost 1%, Power Grid 2% gains on that front as well. Let's pull up Nifty IT, that was among the top sectoral loser today. So TCS, Infosys, Persistent, Birlasoft, all these names clearly under pressure, whether the mid-cap IT or the large-cap IT names today didn't do anything much and didn't participate in any up move or support the markets today as well. Bharat Forge among the gainers that we're seeing coming in today as well. Bharat Forge managed to see strong gains. Glenmark Pharma that managed to hold on to gains after Investec had upgraded the stock to a buy. L&T among the Nifty 50, which managed to hold on to gains as well after CLSA maintained a buy on the stock with a target price of 4,260 rupees per share. Alchem Labs today, yes, that was under pressure because sources said that there was an income tax evasion, which was there for Alchem Labs. The stock fell to 9%, but the company categorically came out with a clarification. There is nothing that they have received as such, or nothing of an IT tax evasion that has happened by the company so far. So clarification also came in. Stock saw a bit of a recovery, but closing with a loss of cuts of almost 7.5% as well. Zaggle managed to hit record high levels as they signed a deal with Emcure Pharma, keeping an eye on that. Industars managed to see some bit of a gain today as well, holding on to good gains on that front. Orchid Pharma managed to see very strong gains today, jumped to near a 3-year high level as well. Let's pull up Orchid Pharma that we could see. But yes, as of now, sustaining after the 3-year high jump that we've seen, Orchid Pharma today managing to close on with a bit of a subduedness on that front as well. So yes, that's how the market setup so far is looking like. Nifty Auto, let's look at that as well. That managed to close on with some bit of a gain in the Nifty Auto sector, as well as Nifty Realty managing to hold on to some bit of a gain on that front. Other than that, let's look at some of these mid-cap movers that we could see coming in trade today. The fall came in from Mankind Pharma, Oil India, Cummins, Sale, all of them among the top losers in the Nifty mid-cap space, while in the Nifty mid-cap, the gainers that came in were Policy Bazaar, Bharat Dynamics that managed to hold on to gains as well. Paytm today managed to lock in the upper circuit as well. So yes, keeping an eye out on all these names today, but markets quite subdued, nothing exciting that's happening, closing with cuts of almost 0.4%.